9320, icon of the seas, infinite ocean view balcony with large balcony. Let's just see how large the balcony is. It is your standard balcony room. We've seen bathroom. Don't forget to find your safe hidden behind here. Same closet setup, same as the balcony cabins. It says infinite ocean view balcony with large balcony. I don't see a large balcony. Looks like the same size as my balcony and my infinite Central Park balcony. So, I don't know. They say it's a large balcony. I guess we'll see the next ones and see if it's, check my other videos out, see if they are smaller. All right, so this is not a large balcony. This is just infinite,
It would just be an infinite
ocean view balcony. Okay?
Sorry.
We stand corrected, no problem.